In this video, we will talk about the integral. We will start with rule number 1. The rule says if I have integral of a number dx, so the integral for this number will be kx plus c. K is a number, I have to multiply it by x, then add c, which is a constant. Let us take an example. Integral of 4 dx. According to the rule, I should put the number here, which is 4, and multiply it by x. Then I should not forget about plus c, which is the constant. Let us take one more example. Integral of pi dm equals, so I have to put pi, because pi is a number, and I should multiply it by m. Okay, this time I should multiply it by m. The number or the variable that you will put here, it depends on the integral. If you have dm, you have to put m. dx, then you have to put x. Okay, then we should add c. Let us take one more example. Integral of dx over 2. So this question is basically, we can rewrite it as 1 over 2 dx. Now we can follow the same steps. So I have to add the 1 over 2, which is the number, multiply by x plus c. So the integral of this question is 1 over 2x plus c. Let us take one more example. Integral of e dn. So we have to, because e of course is a constant or is a number, so I have to multiply it by n this time. Okay, because we have dn plus c.